hope he is.
His gobble sounds sharp.
Crisp.
Not a crispy.
Not the crispy. Well, guys, we've got at least 2 different birds. We've got one on the hedgerow down to our left, and it sounds like we've got one in a hedgerow behind us. In this spot, we've hunted, what, this is like our 5th or 6th time hunting this spot. These same birds. So I don't really want to call. I'm going to call once so they think there's a hen here. But we were pretty much just trying to cut them off. The farmer just worked this cornfield last night. And most days when I drive by on my way to work, they're out in this field at like 6:40 in the morning. That same cornfield that he worked last night. So with them being down in this hedgerow, we tried to cut them off. And I'm hoping with just one call, I grab their attention enough to where they walk the hedgerow we're sitting in down, and they give us a shot. But, I mean,
yeah.
Sometimes our plans don't really work out. Most times. Give him a call.
It's not close.
He gobbled. Now we wait. Might go one more time. Longer yelps. This branch might be good too. How did that break?
It's a weed anyways. Camouflage. Good job.
Thanks, you too. This camera. Yeah, I know. Now I'm done.
I get it 2 minutes, you got it.
Pinky promise. I'm just hoping they don't work behind us, skirt us into the cornfield.
Well, if they're gobbling, they're pretty screwed if they go that way, because they can't see us this whole edge.
Might be out. Right yours. Have yours. I can't break it, but I think that hills 45. I'm gonna let him clear it until you can see him, but yeah, he's coming. He's working this way. Alright, it's all good. It's good. Yup. See his fan? Okay. It's just over the backside of the hill. He's working right. He's kind of moving right. Do you have TSS in? Yeah. Alright. I have no. He's more to your right. He's gonna come out like right here. Scratch. Or is he looking at you? What? Is he looking at you?
Yeah, he's looking this way pretty intently. Here's that.
Just like that, boys. We freaking smoked him. Woo! I knew that was in range. Woo! Holy crap.
I got him.
Oh, thank you, God. Oh. Well, go see my bird, I guess. Here, run this one. Turn that one off. Here, guys, we'll switch you over to H-Work and the boys. Let's go!
That couldn't work any more.
Dude,
perfect. Yeah, he
was so. Oh.
With my angle, I couldn't see. The grass was throwing me off.
It was throwing me off so much, so much.
I was like.
But we played that again.
Yeah.
Same video or same, saying the same thing in the video, or what we said in the video last year. We played that perfect. When you get a lone bird like that and he's hammering, he walked by us. Just show him this grass setup first, because this saved our butt. This saved us so much.
You can't see nothing. It's
a little better. You can hardly see the blades, but this saved us so much. He was standing out in that cornfield, probably 80 yards.
Yeah.
Hammering his head off. Completely hammering his head off.
Turkey's now over there, but that's because he rolled.
Oh.
Shut that off. He might have been in range when he first came through. But...
Well, I knew with that hill, since I could see him going up that hill, I knew that whole hill was in range.
Right.
That's got to be
close to 50. 45s.
I would say closer to 45. But guys, he was standing out in the cornfield, like right there, at 70 the whole time, hammering his head off. So what we do, or what you should do when you're hunting fields birds, is shut up. I scratched a little bit, but I didn't call, and he got so curious. I mean, you can probably see it on the camera. He was staring at us the whole time.
He was like, where are you?
Because the way I was sitting, I had my gun barrel faced at that hill, but I couldn't move because he was staring at us the whole time. A rope? Oh, I'd say so. Get this for all the safety freaks out there. Empty. The old TSS did her thing again. Oh my spurs! Look at these things.
Holy cow, that's an old bird.
Look at those spurs. Beard, double beard, thick 10-incher. Woohoo! Let's go. The dude that lets us hunt, I just got a truck 3 days ago, and I've been pulling in my car every time we've hunted, so he's gonna be so confused, because he, the one time we bring the truck is the one time I actually shoot a bird. Let's get a fan for you guys.
That's the reason why you got him. Ooh, need to back up. Big lens.
I forgot how to sit behind a turkey. It's been so long. Beautiful bird, beautiful morning. I mean, just look at this behind us. I tried to get some B-roll when we set up. Beautiful morning. It was awesome. Picturesque. But that is just an awesome bird. Once again, the beard.
It's a rope.
The old double beard 10. I'm shaking like a leaf. This is awesome.
The spurs are crazy on it.
This is awesome. From calling all 4 toms in to 8 yards and missing them at 20 with my bow to, what is it, 25th? 6 days of season left, and you couldn't have asked for it to be drawn up any better.
No,
honestly.
that was perfect.
Like, I mean, obviously you want him to walk down the hedgerow and you shoot him right off the roost at 10 yards, but there's a reason I put TSS in first this morning, because I knew I'd have to reach it. But it's such a hard thing with these fields birds, especially late in the year. Like
we always do better later in the year.
Yeah, we doubled up the 24th last year. But it's so difficult to get them to come in, especially up here in New York. It's difficult to get them to come into decoys.
For some reason.
In the first point, or whatever I'm trying to say, I'm losing. I'm getting giddy again. But then when you throw a field into it, and where they can see everything around them, it's so difficult to get it to work. But that's anywhere, any fields, birds, anywhere. But I don't know, at this point I'm just rambling. I think it's time to go get some cool B-roll and fill the tag.
Yeah.
And then hop to another spot and see if Hunter can get his second bird.
Maybe.
He's already shot one this year. That video's not up yet.
No.
It will be.
It will be. It'll be
so,
up.
Stay tuned for that on his channel. But yeah, let's get some cool B-roll.